Hello everyone, today, I will show you how to highlight duplicate values in MS Excel. Select the column, then on Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, select Highlight Cells Rules, and click on Duplicate Values. Select any color of your choice and click OK, to highlight the duplicate and repeated values. It will help you to easily identify duplicate values from large amounts of data. You can also use the same thing to highlight unique values that are not duplicate. Under Conditional Formatting, select Highlight Cells Rules, then Duplicate Values. Click on drop-down menu and select Unique to highlight unique values, not duplicates. Let me know in the comment box what you would like to see next. Subscribe my channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.